So to get at the air suspension relay, I used a screwdriver, popped it out of its housing, out of where it was attached to the vehicle, and down here you can see that's the relay right there. So it's quite accessible right now, and I'll go ahead and swap it out. So I was able to get out the relay, not without a fight. So what happens is there's this locking mechanism that goes in like that after you have this plugged in. So you have to take out this lock first and then depress, and then you can pull out the relay. So the big pins you see over there, 30 and 87, that's the high voltage side, and then the is it 85 and 86, that's the control circuit. So if you apply a 12 volt to 85 86, then this should close up and then you have continuity. I wasn't having that, so this is faulty. I'm going to get a new one. The pin out here is different, so this is not going to work. So I'll rush out to my O'Reilly and see if I can get a new relay just like this. Should be about $30, and then we'll see what happens. Wish me luck. Alright guys, real quick here, I got the part, so I'm gonna plug it in and see if it's going to work. I have just about a minute here, so I'll take it out, plug it in, fire up the Hummer and see if it works. So I have that on there, and this is the moment of truth. Let's fire it up and see if it rises. Nothing. Nope. So that was not my issue. Inflating, so oh, wait a minute, did that just inflate? Holy smokes. Yeah, it did. Look at that. It did inflate. Look at that. Nice. Look at the gap. That was my problem. That was my problem. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Height control is still flashing, but I guess there might be a leak, so I wouldn't let it run too long. But I'm very happy. Woo! It feels different in here now. Whoa, it's quiet. No more bouncing. Awesome. Yes. Whoa, that's amazing. Nice. I'm glad I didn't dismiss that too soon and I gave it a shot. Height control is still, I think it's still inflating. I'll just make sure there's no leak tomorrow. That way I don't blow the new compressor by having it run continuously. Okay, that's enough. Let's jump out and I'll show you guys. That's what it looks like now. Look at that. That's just amazing. With the LEDs on top. Fantastic. Whoa. Just a relay. Look at the lights, the LEDs. I think they look awesome. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.